out here. It's like 2 degrees. This is Fleetwood, Michigan, California. It's the new winter state that they've made. I'm just playing. I don't know. It's like regular snow degree weather, and it's not that cold. Snow is wet though. There's a nice wet snow. And I just thought I'd make a video for YouTube. For me and for you. For you too. For YouTube. Alright, sorry. You know, some said, don't make a video. Just enjoy the snow. Because the video is not going to be good. And guess what? That voice in my head was correct. It's not always correct. But when it is. But, it's pretty cool how the snow is blowing like the, whoa. It's always cool. Snow is great though. I don't know if this is good for your phone to be out in the snow, but snow's awesome. Wow. Pretty little birds. I like the little birds. I like the old little birds. I think like in another life I'm going to reincarnate as Bob Ross. You know what I'm saying?